How to get approved for a business loan, 100 grand and up. So these are the companies you guys can apply for: Biz2 Credit, Fundera, On Deck, Lindio, Lindsay, Fora Financial. These guys funds up to $1 million. Some can provide $6 million. But the thing that approves you is how much you make every single month. Bank statements are very important. And the time of business is also important. If you have a brand new LLC, let's say you went to LegalZoom, you got yourself an LLC, grab the EIN number through the IRS.gov, you would definitely need some credit history. So the credit history, let's say you add some business trade lines. Business trade lines will add you credit history. So if you have no history, you have a brand new startup business, adding a trade line will get you approved for these lenders. But you need to make a monthly revenue. But you guys can also edit your bank statements to where you're making a large amount. So if you want $1 million loan, you're going to have to make, $1 million a year. All right. So you make $2 million. If you want a $2 million loan, you're going to have to make about $2 million a year. So that's how it basically works. You want 100 grand, you got to make 100 grand a year or more to get approved. And the minimum score is a 600. So you don't even need a good credit score. All you need is the proof of income, which can be edited bank statements. Anybody can do that. All right. You can literally go on to your bank account, inspect element or whatever. And then the time of business, all you have to do is add a business primary trade line. And you guys can pause this. It reports to basically all the business bureaus, right? Stays on for 3 years, age, everything you guys need to get approved. This will definitely add 7 to 8 years, which means you don't need to make that much because you guys are in business for a while, so they could offer you more. But these business trade lines can also be reported on your primary as well. But your primary, your Social Security credit profile is also important. So if you have bad credit under your business, your personal credit needs to be good. Okay, so, but again, the minimum is a 600 credit score. And also another site to apply for a business credit card up to 100K is bill.com. So here's another website. But really, there is no limit on how many loans you guys can take out, but they will see the hard inquiry, so try to do one loan at a time. But definitely add some business trade lines onto your EIN number or boost your credit score. And these custom CPNs can have an LLC, so you can attach the LLC under the CPNs and apply for bigger business loans. So that's pretty much it. You guys can add your bank statements, add the trade lines to gain more credit history for your business. That's how you get approved for these big loans. And the minimum credit score is a 600. So if you guys have a 7 or 800, you get approved for more funding. So these are the sites. Pause if you need to. Visit equitytradelines.com. And another good site is Nation Credit Lines. So I will leave everything in the description. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you next video.